Son, I'm getting old, and I want you to have my house. No way, Dad, you're not giving me that. Well, why not? I bought it for $200,000 30 years ago, and now it's worth over $1.4 million. Exactly. That's why I'm not taking it. What do you mean? If you gave me this home now and I sold it, I would have to pay capital gains tax on $1.2 million. This means that I would have to pay over $286,000 in federal taxes and over $152,000 in state taxes. And that adds up to almost $439,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. But if you give it to me a different way, I don't have to pay any of it.
What? How?
Put the home in a living trust and name me the beneficiary of it. This way, you will hold the property until you pass away, and then I'll inherit the property with a step up in basis, as if I bought the property for current market value. If I sell it at that price, I won't have to pay any capital gains tax, so I'll get to keep that $439,000. This is how we start to build generational wealth. I'm proud of you, son. Where'd you learn all this? I follow Logan. He makes real estate real easy.